Welcome to Sky Broking Equity Weekly Market Commentary. Disclaimer: this weekly market commentary is for information purpose only. Before taking any decision, consult a financial advisor. Now let's look into the fundamental analysis. The focus in the US shifts from the labor market to pricing pressures. Tuesday's release of the August inflation report could move some Fed members into joining the inflation is persistent camp. Prices that Americans pay for everyday goods and services are expected to continue to accelerate in August, but Thursday is all about the US consumer and if retail sales continue to weaken in August. The government squeeze on the private sector continued this week, but China equities rose after the President Biden and the President Xi Jinping had their first phone call in 7 months, dangling the carrot of improved relations. But with government restrictions or investigations or interventions in the private sector now a daily occurrence, buying the dip in China equities remains a perilous endeavor. And if data comes in soft, stimulus noise will increase once again. That will likely boost equities in short term. India appears to be the major recipient of diverted China flows at the moment, with the INR and stock market rallying impressively. That rally in INR resumed into the end of the week, suggesting that positive momentum remains robust. The data calendar is busier in the week ahead, featuring inflation, WPI, and the balance of trade. Stagflationary pressures will still be evident, but the balance of trade should show a large jump in imports, suggesting India is recovering from its last COVID-19 wave. That is what markets will be focusing on, along with China rotation flows, should see another strong week for local equities. So these are this week's fundamental analysis. Now let's move on to the technical analysis. Until Nifty crosses over 17,440 means, further rally is on upside up to 17,202 levels, and once if it closes below 17,202 on daily basis, further supports will be around 16,900 ranges. Bank Nifty may expect a mixed trade, for the upside resistances are 37,256 and 37,732, and for the downside the supports are 36,088 and 35,468 levels. These are the technical analysis this week. Now let's move on to the derivative analysis. Based on the option chain analysis, highest open interest for call side is 18,000 strike and for the put side is 16,500 strike. Overall points will be 1,500 points band, and on 16th September will be the expiry. According to the PCR analysis, Nifty PCR OI has slightly decreased with Nifty positive close, and when compared with the previous week, that shows call buying is seen. India VIX has settled in 13.94, and when compared with the previous week, it had ended with a low which shows slightly decreasing the volatile. So these are the derivative analysis this week. Now let's check out the recommendations. Coming to the cash corner, buy Zensar Tech above 472.5, the target is 492.5 and the stop loss is 452. Buy JSW Energy at 276.7, target is 291 with the stop loss 262. Coming to the F&O corner, sell Nifty future near 17,300, target is 17,220 with the stop loss 17,383. Option strategy, bear call spread, sell Nifty 17,650 call option at 82 and buy 17,850 call option at 42. 30th September will be the expiry, and one strategies give you 25 points book profit. Now let's see the institutional activity. According to the previous week, the FII net sellers were minus 1,113.92 crores and FII net buyers in September month is 669.88 crores. According to the previous week, the DII net buyers were 1,115.55 crores and DII net buyers in September month is 877.98 crores. So these are this week's Equity Weekly Market Commentary. For more profits and information, visit our website www.skybroking.com. Thank you by Sky Broking.